Do you enjoy chemistry and maths? Are you good at solving problems? Do you enjoy doing experiments in the laboratory? Can you work to a high level of accuracy? If you have said yes to the above questions, then a career as a chemical engineering technician may be for you. Chemical engineering technicians work with chemical engineers and other professionals. They are involved in researching, developing and producing things such as petrochemicals, pulp and paper, medicines, foods and textiles. Chemical engineering technicians work in a range of industries. Some of these industries are construction, healthcare, biotechnology and agriculture. Some chemical engineering technicians work in the field of environmental health and safety. Most technicians work on teams with chemists or chemical engineers who supervise their work. Chemical engineering technicians may work as laboratory technicians. Others work as processing technicians where they assist with the production of materials. Those working in laboratories help to develop new or improve chemical products or methods of making them. These technicians look after and operate laboratory equipment and apparatus. They set up and conduct chemical experiments. They record the results by creating graphs and reports for the chemists and chemical engineers to examine and analyze. Other chemical engineering technicians may work to design, build, and install chemical plant equipment. These technicians may work on teams to develop better production methods for the manufacture of materials. Some chemical engineering technicians work in the production environment in plants or at refineries. They monitor the quality of products and the methods of making them. This is done by checking that the measurement and control instrument data corresponds with the required specifications for the product. They interpret production information and adjust the equipment to improve the productivity and output. After production, they collect samples from batches of products and do tests to check that the batch meets the quality standards. This may involve testing for impurities or defects in the product. These technicians are often responsible for doing maintenance checks as well as doing repairs to the plant machinery. It is important that chemical engineering technicians follow proper safety procedures at all times. This is because they may work with hazardous chemicals and plant equipment. Chemical engineering technicians work with a range of professionals. These include chemists, chemical engineers and technologists, biotechnologists, and production engineers. Working hours will vary. Those working in laboratories may have to work overtime when carrying out lengthy experiments or tests. When working in a manufacturing environment, technicians may work shifts in order to manage production. The Engineering Council of South Africa, or ECSA for short, is the statutory body that regulates the engineering professions in South Africa. A recognized qualification as a chemical engineering technician is therefore required. With experience, a technician may be promoted to a laboratory or shift supervisor. Further study may lead to qualifying as a chemical engineering technologist.